Hi, this is Reece from CreataCRM. We have a module called Surveys, which is the ability to actually create a drag and drop questionnaires for your customers. And that can be arranged from a wide range of things, from just service industries like your job satisfactory of a job or a service in there itself, or a detailed question that's more connected to an ISO application where you need to get your staff to do a number of heavy questionnaires for implementation of a job to make sure you're ISO compliant or Swns compliant as well. So it has a vast range, and you can see here we've made our own survey. So on a company contact, or anywhere else, you can actually have a surveys tab in here. So you can see the results in the survey here that you can have a look at. That's connected to this company, and you can then send it. You can opt in for this person. So you can just take the survey for them, and it could be a questionnaire for the client itself here, or you're going to send a simple survey email to them to fill out that survey itself. For example, it's connected to a company, so all the members of those colleagues will get that email itself if it's on that, or you can just remove those emails itself. So how does a survey look? We're just going to click on the settings button, go to developer, go to surveys, and there you go, new survey. So we'll really quickly go through a survey. First, the survey name is we're just going to test, and we're going to have a test survey. It can cover a company contact task, and we can go anywhere, but that's the four that we have out of the box. And it could be a save and view, and then we've got the editor tab in here itself. At the moment, all you do is start dragging questions here. So there's a long list of elements that you have here. I won't go through everything. You just drag and drop the first question there, and you just go through and change the editor. What did you think of our service? It could be a question like that. And it could be another thing, could be a radio button. You can drag and drop and have questions. What would, bad English, would you rate it? And there you go. And that, what would you rate it? Good, bad. You see how I can delete it, or I can edit it, I can delete it, or just click on it and great. Okay. So that's a survey that's connected. There's a questionnaire, so you can go really deep with it, but it's a drag and drop. There's so many elements in here, but this is a video to say, look, we can do surveys, so we can drag and drop them, and we can send them out. We can do workflows on them as well. You can do it through an email or an SMS, and they can fill out that. And now it will then embody those answers into the customer in the survey section. You can go to it, and we can do graphs on there as well. So we're going to save the survey itself. Then we go to a contact, we click on a survey. There's one result here, one of the surveys, and we've got one that's capital T for test. We can take the survey here like that. That's, what do you think of our service? Good, bad, blah, blah, blah. Good, bad, and we complete it. And that has completed the survey. So that means he's now got two results there on the survey, and you can look at the results like that. So they go online, fill the questionnaires, and you get the survey itself. You can email them, obviously, by just clicking on here, this email itself, but you can see that easy, and it really, you have the ability to change the surveys, questionnaires, and do all those elements as well. But it's just another element to build a better relationship of information for your customers, and just ask more questions. All services, which is like Swns and ISO compliance, where you want to capture like who was at the site, what certifications have they got, all that stuff, all those questions you can build across. So I hope that helps. That's the survey side of the fence inside of Creata.